Hello everybody. So today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about Pigeonhole Principle. So now I will show you how to answer. In a group of 40 people, there must be at least 4 people who have been born in the same month. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that 1 year we have 12 months. Now we have 40 people. I will divide this one into 12, 12, 12, and we have 12 plus 12 plus 12. You got about 36, and the remaining that's about 4 people. Now I will assume that 12 people in here, they have 12 different months. Similar for this one, and this one. This is 4 months right now. So because we have 1 month in here, 1 month in here, and 1 month in here, this is about 4 out of 12 months. So we see that in here we can create about 4 groups of people. In each group we have at least 1 month. So that means we have at least 4 people in same 1 month in here. And this is the final answer we can create in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.